race. Go on the tone.
Mason's first main event. Amen.
Very good. Very good. Pretty clean. Good job, everybody. Put together. Put together, Michael. You're super fast.
Yeah, buddy.
Give it some time. All right. We have the short course buggies tracking down the short course. All right, come on, everybody. Try to work together. Alright, so we got Scott leading us around. Then Everett in second.
Oh,
Jerry in third. Yeah, good battle between the young guys. Between Mason and Evan. Mason did the Alice Clean beat. Alice Clean had to go and go up to the back.
there's D-Derby out there.
Good job. Missing those bricks. Good battle. See if they can take back up Mason. Alright. Nice and easy, Mike. Find a spot. Don't think it. Find it. There you go. Alright. So we got Scott out. Oh, hang on. Better. We gotta get that back there. It's slot, buddy. We gotta wait for Scott. We can't run him over. Okay, go. Oh, get it back. You got some down the ahead of you.
Mason putting in laps, doing his work.
There you go. Oh, that was good. Get it back. All right, so they're down front. Scott running second.
Ball there.
Jerry third. Jerry not that far behind that battle. Good job, everybody to the inside. Okay, everybody's good.
Oh!
Good once again. Here. All right. That means that the leader goes over. Alright, nice and easy, nice and easy. You got the lead. There you go. There goes. Okay, careful. Watch out for Tiffany. Be safe. Okay. Alright, so we got everyone out front. Scott back to second. Everyone for the triple. Got two runners down. Scott's in the lead now. We got Scott in the lead, Evan second, Mike third, Jerry fourth, Mason fifth, Evan sixth, Jen seventh. That's good race, everybody. Mike coming hot into the speaker. This is the same round before the race is going. That's a battle for the lead coming across the line. Scott in first. Oh, give me some fun around. There you go. So we got Scott out in front, Everett second, Mike third. Where's Jerry? Oh, fourth place is on our spin. Come on, man. Oh, come on, guys. There you go. All right, we gotta give him a chance to get out of the way. All right, we got Scott still moving around. Mike got that one behind that yellow bug. You gotta get that purple or the teal top, right teal top. Inside on the straightaway. So we'll go Scott, Mike, Everett, Jerry, Mason, Eddie, and Jen. Everybody's doing really good. Evan, not that far behind Mason. We got better. That's how you do it. Let's get squared out. Oh, straight away. Okay, we got a lead change. I think that red button is now the leader. Yes, Mike is out front. And that red button makes it easy, Mike. Nice and easy. Way wide, give a lift up. Here comes Scott. Scott back to the lead. Mike back to the lead. Don't want to come to that first button. All right, both of them doing a different way on that turn. Single, double, single. All right, guys, work together. All right, so you got Mike out there. Right? Oh, Scott. Cartwheel down the straightaway.
Wow, he's getting really good good turns in there. Nice. Look how smooth that was.
Scott coming across the line in second. Fast lap 19.7. Mason coming early in fifth. Fast lap 20.9. Everett coming early in third. Fast lap 20.4. James fast lap 23.7. Just set that fast lap to fast lap to fast lap. That guy's 25 seconds left. Evan is right behind Mason. That's a battle. Evan rolls it over, but Mason can out a little bit. 10 seconds, guys. 10 seconds. Carry on the turbo.
He's going to hold on to fifth.
All right, 6 seconds. Get across that line. Get across the line. Here we go. Keep going. Hold this time. Everybody keep going. Everybody keep going.
Oh, he went for the triple. Came up short.
Evan, you're the first one done for third place. Mason, you get fifth. Mike for the win.
All right, buddy.
Mason. Good job, Jerry.
Taking a victory lap.
All right, that's a race, everybody.
All right.
I gave it to him. I took it to him. All right.
Way to go, pal.
Everybody, that's a race.